everybody, are you ready to do another tiered tray? And this one is for fall. Okay, I put a couple leaves in here. I just wanted to see what it would look like, and I put a plate that I'll show you because it's too big for me to show the whole thing at once. So we're going to start at the top, and then we'll work our way to the second, and then I'll angle the camera down to the third. All right, what I want to do with this one is I really want a lot of vibrant rust and oranges with leaves, just chock full in this, and then put different elements into it. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I have all kinds of autumn leaves, which I'm sure you do too, through the years of decorating. And this is on a grapevine. I'm going to put this one on the bottom. Well, you know what? I'll do that when we get to the bottom. These are just so pretty. I have to have these for fall because to me, I mean, this is fall, the color, the changing of leaves, and you know, I mean, I do like the white and the greens and the farmhouse, but I do have to have leaves. Not that I don't like the other stuff, I do. And I just want these to kind of fall out. And then I can start maneuvering my stuff that I want to put in there. And I love these little retro signs. This one's from Hobby Lobby. So I'm just going to put that one right there. And I will put one of them on a leaf, because you do want to be able to see this. See that now. Okay. And then I want to put a lot of pumpkins. And I'm going to put all different kinds, all different colors. You know, I think I'm going to wait on that. I want to put all different kinds of pumpkins. So I think I'll put that one on top. Then I'll put this one over to the side. That one here. And then, you know, I'm really liking the owls, so I'm going to put an owl right here. This one I bought from the 99-cent store. And then these scarecrows I got last year. These are from Hobby Lobby. That one there. And I still want to incorporate my white houses that I got from Creative Glory last year for Christmas. Put that one back there. I'm going to put this here instead, the Hello Pumpkin on the top. That helps keep that down. Oh, that house doesn't look right there. Put that one here. Do you remember when I made these last year out of the corrugated paper, and it was a takeoff from the one they had at Hobby Lobby? I'm going to put that one in here too. I don't know if that one would look better up here. No, I like this one. Here's another scarecrow. Oop, our little owl fell. I want you to be able to see him, so I'll nestle him in between the leaves. That's cute. Okay, let's see. I want to also put this owl that Missy got me. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to just tilt this to the side. Oh yeah, I like that now. And then I'll put that one back here. I'll put that one there. And then I'm going to put a little bit of leaves. I love this. I like that. Okay, then let's see. Okay, so now let's go down to the bottom shelf. Okay. So we have, I want these in different areas. Here's that. Now we need more leaves. Put off a little bit because I don't need all of it in one spot. Okay. So let's put this one nestled in here. And I still want you to be able to see the house. I use these houses all the time, you guys. I never take them out. I don't think I've taken them out since I got them. Okay, and I want that to go all the way around back there. And I'll take the camera down so you can see everything when I'm done. So you can see it closer. Alright, so I'll be back in just a minute. I'm going to get a couple other things. Okay, I just wanted to go get a couple more leaves, a certain color, because I really want to pop that rust. And then I'm going to add another pumpkin. I think I'll add that. Okay, put that scarecrow there, and then I'm going to put another one. Where do I want him? I think I'll put him. I'll put him back here. And I think I'll call that done, so I'll bring you over and show you closer. Okay, everybody, I'm back, and let's look closer. Over on the side here, you can see the little scarecrow from Hobby Lobby. And there's one of those white houses, and they look so pretty when they're lit up at night. And here's pumpkins that I've had forever. Another scarecrow from Hobby Lobby. And another white house. And this leaf, this came from Mervyn's when they were still open. And ironically, the Mervyn's that I got this at is the Hobby Lobby that I work at now. And then up on the second shelf, like I said, I wanted a lot of leaves. I was going for just that huge amount of leaves, and that's what you first notice, are just all the leaves. And then inside this Harvest Blessing, that is from Hobby Lobby. And then over here, this little owl from the Dollar Tree. A Dollar Tree or 99-cent store. And then over here is the pumpkin that I made out of the corrugated paper last year. And then up here is the little owl that Missy gifted me. And another pumpkin. And this Hello Pumpkin, that is from Walmart. And then the little owl is from the 99-cent store. So here is what it looks like. And I'll just let you check it out for a couple minutes. I hope that you enjoyed watching me get this three-tiered tray ready. I hope you enjoyed watching me get this three-tiered tray ready for fall. And until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon. Bye.